a stockbroker now who will be speaking to us for the market performance for today is Mr. Jamiu Mohammed. He's at APT Securities and Funds Limited. Mr. Mohammed, if you are there, the market is starting down 0.28%, the figures we have in here. Any updates from your end? All right, one will try to connect to with Mr. Jamiu Mohammed. Gainers for today, we have Presco. We have Mr. Mohammed, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Good afternoon, everyone.
Take us through trading.
Go ahead. It's a pleasure to be here on the program. And the market lost 0.31%, and the index that measured the performance of the general market closed around 52,348 points. And the volume traded in the day was around 220 million units of shares worth about 3.248 billion. And we have 22 gainers, and we have 20 gainers and we have 22 losers. So the activity in the market is a bit low, and this is not unconnected with the fact that we have a kind of improved activity that we had last week. So this week is tend to open this way, just because of the fact that, as I've said earlier, that the economy is going to be a bit slower. Activity in the economy is going to be a bit slower, looking at the first quarter of the year, and we may likely see it in this way. Though the market is still there for us, for those that want to invest in our market, look at fundamental sound stock and also have a long-term horizon in their investment objective.
So, like many would say, this is a time to take advantage of the market and make so much money you can buy cheap. But for long-term investors, but Mr. Jamiu, you agree with me that not everybody is a long-term investor?
Yes, we have in a sound market, we are supposed to have a speculator, and also we're supposed to have an investor. So for a market to be a market, investors are supposed to be the one to rule the market. But when you have speculator ruling the market, there's a problem somewhere. And the market is going to be run and is going to be judged by sentiment. Sentiment in the sense that those fundamentals, the economics fundamentals and company fundamentals that you need to look at, that is supposed to drive prices in the market, is not going to be looked at. It's only the speculator that will rule the market, and whatever they have a bit gain of 1-2 days, and they are ready to offload the market, and the market continue to be suppressed daily. The prices in the market is going to continue to be undervalued. The stocks in the market is going to continue to be undervalued. So this, I'm not saying that we don't need the speculator, we don't need the trader, we don't need short timer. What we are saying is that we don't want a situation whereby our market is going to be dominated by speculators. We want a market that is being dominated by the trader, by the investor. So this investor always look at these companies that have fundamentals, both in their numbers, in the corporate governance of these listed companies, and also looking at what is happening in the economy before they put their money into the stock market. And this is the driver of these activities in the market. But in a situation whereby speculators are the one ruling the market, all these things is not going to be looked at. Whenever you have your short-term gain, you are ready to exit, and you continue to dump the market and allow the prices to remain where they are for a long period of time.
I must thank you so much for your insight into markets daily. Thank you so much, Mr. Jamiu Mohammed.
Thank you very much.